Okay guys, back in the garage finally. Today is December, shoot, I don't even know. Let's see what the day is. December 6th, okay? And, as you can tell, I redid the garage some. I haven't been in here in a while, so I gotta do some cleaning before I start my next video, which will be this one. I don't know where I'm gonna start. Bunch of parts. I'll cover that shortly. Oh, let me get this call real quick. Okay, as I was saying, going through, I gotta clean up the garage before I do the next video. A little bit messy, lots of parts everywhere. And had to bring that out. We'll talk about that car one day, the Evo. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the garage, pick up the camera, and decide what this video is gonna be, because right now I don't know, but I'm sure by the time you see it you will know off the title of it. But yeah, I'm gonna get cleaning real quick guys, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I figured out what video I'm gonna start off with first. It will be all the parts that I have for sale that have either came from my Hondas or my Sentra, or parts that I've never used or don't plan on using from this point. So here it is, my little stash of parts. My buddy Tank's back in the garage with me. Cleaned it up some, pushed everything back. As soon as I could get that fish tank to my pops, I'll be able to fix this up. I really need a bigger toolbox. Those are a mess. So let's go over some of this. Competition clutch, stage 3 for the B15 Spec V. 2J Racing, stage 3 or 4, unsprung clutch for the B15, and I do have the steel flywheel for that one, which pressure plates on there good. Okay. B15 mid pipe, 2.5 inch with a vibrant flex pipe. An intake that I was going to use for my Sentra. It's got the beaded rolls. If you B15 guys want to use this, it goes for the MAF adapter. It'll be a short ram, piece of the Nismo intake I'll just sell with it. It just has that, which I'm sure you could cut that off, or the coupler will cover that. The Saku Michi catch can with the hoses, that's still available. Shift light with this for the B15, that's available. A custom Ortiz, one of his pods deletes the AC for the B15 Spec V. B15 Spec V headlights. In this box is a B16 intake manifold for the Honda B16 motor. The stock intake manifold and throttle bodies in there. I believe this is my extra VQ throttle body. My QTP Y pipe, K24A2 intake manifold that came off the spare motor, has all the sensors, the electronic throttle body, fuel rail, throttle position sensor. Yep, with all the hoses, and I don't think I'll need any of that for mine. Stock QR25 head gasket, and a chipped Honda ECU that I used on my old B20V EG. That's still available. If you guys don't remember that car, look it up on my YouTube channel, it's on there. And then a bunch of QR parts, so oil pan, griddle, timing cover, water pump, thermostat housing, and a bunch of other stuff. So all this stuff will be posted on my page where I sell my grounding kits. So it'll be on my store link. So in the bottom of the description box will be the link to the store. Go, guys, if you guys want something. There are some things I didn't mention. These were sold, the valve cover for my Sentra and the return fuel setup. I'm holding that for somebody. Catch can still available, guys. But yeah, all these parts are still available. I plan on just putting it all in the trunk of my Sentra and clearing up the space. But if you guys are interested, like I said, it will be in my store link. Lower control arms, I believe one is, I can't remember. I think they're both still good. One or both of them are 2J Racing. I gotta look at it. I'll leave details in the description box. The rear motor mount for the B15. And lots of stuff in there. So I think I will end this right here. Add a bunch of extra parts. Hey, give me that. Thank you. Nasty. So always got to get something to chew on. And next few videos, I have a lot. Got to take care of this very expensive Galant box. Got to work on that. So I don't know, guys. Let me know what you guys want. All this stuff is available. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share the video. If you know anyone that needs any of these parts, let them know, because I need to get rid of this stuff. It's going to be going inside the trunk of my car shortly. Tank. But thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. And hopefully I'm able to upload this video before what I'm about to do next. But just, if you guys watch all the videos, you guys can see what's going on. But thank you, guys. The Beast.